Imagine you are walking somewhere on the street and you have a cup in hand, someone bumps onto you, tries to shake you, and the mug in your hand, the cup in your hand, spills the coffee. And you question, why did the coffee spill? Just because someone bumped on me? Only after that coffee spilled? Right, of course. But answer is no. Because there was coffee in the cup, it got spilled. If it would have been tea, the tea would have been spilled. Whatever is in the cup, it will come out. Similarly, when life shakes you from inside with some incidences, circumstances, whatever is inside you will come out. So, if you are filled with anger, rage, ungratefulness, if life shakes you, that will come out. If you are satisfied, if you feel gratitude towards what you have, it will come out. Similarly, we should understand that life comes how we take it. So we have to ask ourselves, what is in my cup? When life gets tough, we have to see and observe what spills over. Is it joyfulness, gratitude, gratefulness, or anger, bitterness, harsh words, rage? What is it? Today, I have come up with a beautiful practice where we can fill our cup with gratefulness, with joy, with EFT tapping, and it will help you to make your life more beautiful, and it will help you to understand that already your life, how beautiful it is. We just lack to see the right, appropriate, brighter, positive, optimistic side of our life. So let us see, follow, continue, save this reel, and practice with me daily the gratitude and the joyfulness of life, which will automatically enhance your life in such a way that you would feel that my life was already so beautiful, it was just my perspective to look at it. So here I am bringing you an EFT practice to have gratitude, joyfulness, amazing life moving ahead. Please save this and do it, follow it with me, practicing the tapping, and let's do it together. Even though I may sometimes struggle to see the good in my life, I deeply and completely accept and love myself. Even though I may have experienced disappointments, stress, or difficult moments in my life, I choose to gently open myself to gratitude, joy, and hope. Even though I don't want always, and I know that the future holds me back, I'm willing to believe that beautiful possibilities can still unfold for me. Sometimes I forget how much I already have. Sometimes I focus more on what's missing. I focus more on the lacuna part. I acknowledge everything I have been carrying. But sometimes I forget that I already have all that. I don't have to have everything figured out at the same time. I can simply be present in the moment and notice the little blessings that I have in my life. I'm open to all the experiences in my life that brings me every moment closer to my higher self, to my evolved self. I have this beautiful body which gives me the experience of this beautiful life. I'm grateful for the oxygen that I take. I'm grateful for the water that I have. There are a lot of people who don't even get that in their lives. I have all this and I feel so grateful about it. I have this beautiful life where there is very less struggle than other people. Then I don't understand that why I feel behind to see all these beautiful things. I am already living a beautiful life. Here you have accepted that you have already a lot of beautiful things in your life and you have to change your perspective. Let's move to the round 2. What if I allowed myself to appreciate what I already have? Even small little things in my life. The people who care about me, the body that I can breathe, the environment that I have, the lessons that my life has given me, the opportunities still available for me out there. I choose to notice what I have. I choose to experience what all things I already have, but I have never acknowledged them. I allow gratitude, joyfulness, hope, and beautiful life moving ahead, experiencing it, and release. This will help you to know that how beautifully we have been blessed with lot of different things and we fail to acknowledge. Now we will invite joy in our life with EFT practice. The rounds that I have just demonstrated in front of you, you can repeat the rounds 5 to 6 times or set a clock timer and repeat the round for 5 to 10 minutes every day, all these 3 rounds, and you will feel gratitude, you will feel that life is full with joy and hopefulness. Let us move towards round 3 and invite actual joy in our lives. I give myself permission to experience joy. I don't have to earn joy. I can be blissful, joyful at this very right moment because I already have everything that I need to look after, that I need to be grateful about. I don't have to wait for everything to be perfect. I am amazing the way I am. I just have to accept myself, the circumstances around me, the opportunities around me. I have to accept everything, and here my life is joyful, blissful, and amazing. I welcome laughter. I welcome lightness. I welcome playfulness. I allow myself to live joyfully moving ahead. I may not exactly know what is coming in my life, but I choose hope. I trust myself fully. I know how to handle things what comes next. There are possibilities, I might not be able to see them. New opportunities can find me. I'm open for that. I'm open for all the life experiences because I have understood that life is now, right here, right now, happening to me in present with this beautiful oxygen breathing in and the unwanted carbon dioxide released and exhaled out. Life can surprise me in beautiful ways. I'm open to hope, positivity, joyfulness, and blissfulness. I am the best. I love myself. I so love myself. I don't seek validation from anyone. I'm always hopeful. I choose to look forward for better things in my life. I am the winner. I am the best. God is always with me. Today is my day. I so love myself and I allow myself to be open for all the experiences that takes me to my higher self and release all the energies which are not serving higher purpose, blissfulness, joyfulness and gratefulness of my life. Do this practice with me. Not necessarily always that psychology, EFT practice should help you for the things which are not serving you in a positive way mentally, but you can also enhance the optimistic energy, the positive energy that you already have. You can tap on beautiful, good, already happening things with you and it will automatically enhance those. Not necessary कि negative चीज़ों को ही आपको tap करना है. आप gratefulness पे tap करिए अपने meridian points पे. You do tapping on good and optimistic things in your life. It will enhance, it will increase, it will amplify. EFT is not just for negative things. Mark my words, if you take this moving ahead for already having beautiful things in life like abundance, wealth, good health, gratitude, joyfulness, blissfulness, playfulness, liveliness, all those things, if you start tapping, then your life will be always rich with all this stuff. It will always amplify. Save this reel and share with all your loved ones who want to enjoy their life to its fullest. Take care, everyone. Take care of yourself. I love you all. God bless you all. Happy healing.